Welcome to our Channel E to E podcast. My name is Jessica C. Davis, and I'm the editorial director of Channel E to E. And today I'm welcoming Ingram Micro's Sanjib Sahoo. Welcome, Sanjib.
Thank you so much, Jessica. It's a pleasure to be here with you today.
Oh, it's my pleasure to have you so much. And we're really excited today because, let's start out. For those people who may not be familiar, tell us about your role at Ingram Micro, Sanjib.
Absolutely. I am Executive Vice President and Chief Digital Officer for Ingram Micro. What does it mean is I am leading the entire digital transformation and our digital journey from becoming a platform company. So everything you heard about Xvantage is my group and my teams works on that. I also work closely with our CEO, Paul Bay, to actually drive, how we build a better customer experience, vendor experience, how we strategize new components in the platform. So all things digital is what I do, right now in Ingram Micro.
That's a really exciting area to be in, it seems like. And you have some expertise. We wanted to talk kind of about mindset changes today. And what sort of mindset it takes to transform your organization digitally, whether you are a $5 million company or a $50 billion company. Tell us what your thoughts are on that.
Absolutely. The digital transformation is one of the most talked about words today. Everybody talks about digital transformation, digital technology. But if you ask about digital transformation, everybody will have a different answer. A lot of us think digital transformation is using shiny tech, even in the era of chat GPT, AI, or modernizing our applications to cloud. A lot of people think that is digital transformation. That is innovation. But the most innovative companies do not necessarily use the most innovative technology. What they have is a spirit and a mindset to be more innovative. What does it mean? A mindset to focus on the art of possible. A mindset to always balance the art of possible with the art of feasible in a continuous loops by putting a focus on value, looking everything to the lens of chief value officer, which is a term I love to use. We have to focus on the value that is created for the organization. We put 500 applications on cloud. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean for the value you drive in revenue growth or EBITDA or margins? So start with the customer and reverse engineer. So having design thinking, focus on why. Everything should be focused on why. Having the vision of the company easily demonstrated and understood by every level of the organization. So it becomes our vision, not a vision of the company. What is in it for every employee? Keep in mind, Jessica, transformation doesn't happen to employees. Transformation happens with employees. So that mindset to take some risk, embrace change, eliminate fear, fail fast in a continuous loop to create and capture value with some element of risk and failure associated, that is what is required. More than 80% of digital transformations fail. Number one reason is mindset. Why? We know how this works. This will never work. We shut it down even before we try it out. We do not challenge our limits. We limit our challenges. That is what the most important shift to be done. This spirit is not taught anywhere, not in any school, not in industry. It's in our minds. So a biggest competition of digital transformation in a company is the company itself. It's its people itself. But also the biggest enabler of success is the company and its people itself. So I'll summarize by saying, Jessica, that to be successful, we need to be aggressively digital by using technology to try it out, but also with value creation, and adoption. So we created a DG Ops group that constantly creates value because adoption is not an option. So that part is aggressively digital, but also be amazingly human. We need to understand, be empathetic to people who have done a job for many years. We need to be compassionate, communicating with compassion, but executing with passion. So the mindset has to be aggressively digital and amazingly human.
Great answer. And I can tell how passionate you are about this topic too. Which sort of brings us to the exciting news that you have today about the Xvantage platform and this week. But before we get to that news, remind our viewers who may not be familiar, what exactly is Xvantage?
Yeah, Xvantage is our digital twin. And people say, what is a digital twin? Anything that you do with Ingram Micro, you may be a partner, an employee, an associate, or a vendor partner. This is how we do business with us through this platform. So Xvantage is an AI-enabled self-learning ecosystem. It is a platform of platform, which is built on top of years and years of data we have. And then we harmonize data on the fly, creating a data mesh, put a lot of intelligence, machine learning, AI on top of it to create an amazing experience, a frictionless experience for our partners, for our employees, and our vendor partners, which means we create a single pane of glass, taking all the complexity out, creating more like a Netflix-like experience for our channel partners, where you can customize a platform to what you need. It automatically pushes you recommendations, insights. It really brings consumerization to this industry. And what it does is it also seamlessly connects every experience together, through this platform. That is Xvantage. We launched Xvantage late last year, piloted. We are rolled out through many countries right now, and we have working with our channel partners to get feedback. They're using it. We are adding functionality every week to the platform. So really excited about Xvantage. Now, the news that I wanted to disclose is we talked a lot about Xvantage for our channel partners and our associates, but for the first time, we're actually launching Xvantage for our vendor partners, which means you are now see two sides of the equation, not only for our customers, which are channel partners, but also for our vendor partners to integrate with them, which means they can get a single pane of glass to do everything that they want to do with Ingram Micro with us. They can look at their performance, fulfillment, orders, looking at all of that, the velocity, and can plan their business around it. They can create marketing plans, to it, which means that they get complete channel visibility, the way through the platform. Most importantly, we have also worked on a new document hub where you can actually put in any documents, contracts, other legal documents, put the platform, and then you can also do ingestion of any catalog. Our machine learning will transform that catalog to any format and customize and harmonizes to industry recognizable format or Ingram's format, and then automatically update, which means a new SKU can actually come from a vendor partner through this platform, and we can upload in minutes for our channel partners to transact on it or interact with it. So that's the seamless connection that we are building right now through this platform. So we are really excited about it. We started this in US, Germany, and Canada with select few vendors. Our goal has always been more incrementally, be better. We do release every week, and we call it being imperfectly perfect, but be little more perfect in every iteration. Why? Because we want to listen to our users, listen to our partners, get their feedback, and incorporate that feedback into the product that we are building, so that the product is actually catered to the need, of our partners. Through technology, we use a lot of technology, from machine learning to AI to cloud capabilities. We define the art of possible in experience, but our feedback from our own operations and our partners make it what is the art of feasible. So we match the art of possible with the art of feasible every week. to create the art of viable, and we keep on moving, delivering those functionalities to this platform. So that's what we're excited about with this new capability for our vendor partners.
That sounds amazing. And it sounds like there are this brings a lot of, changes, but certainly benefits to partners as well. And you talked about some of those. Can you elaborate a little more on the benefits to partners from this platform?
Yeah, the goal for Xvantage is to create an amazing experience for our partners. That's the goal. We start with our partners first and reverse engineer. From ability to look at everything in a single pane of glass, to customize, to look at invoicing, subscriptions, is not only transacting, but interacting with us. Looking at this new capabilities will actually mean we can look at, push more SKUs for our partners to interact with it. They can get access to more categories and products through our vendors. We can manage much more tighter collaboration for some of the newer functionalities we released for config to order, code to order capabilities that truly drives more self-service automation for our partners to do all these things and save a lot of time, because as you know, speed and time is very important these days, so it's extremely important. It also helps us looking at better recommendations, because we can now look at a lot of products and new products. We can bring new solutions to the market as we can bring in new vendor partners to the platform, and we can use our algorithms to figure out the solutions and bundling. So there's a lot more experience that you can actually cater to our partners, and we are getting the feedback. We listen, to them. The platform is a single pane of glass for partners, means you don't have to go anywhere, both for content, research, transaction, interaction, everything. And the goal is, how do we make that experience so much better by also working on the back end and others, and take complexity out and really improve that experience that they have with us.
That sounds great. Everybody's looking for the simpler experience these days, right? It sounds like a great platform. Can't wait to learn more about it as the months go on too. So thank you again for telling us about it today. I'm wondering, what are the next steps that partners need to know to take advantage of this? And where can they go for more information?
Absolutely. You can go for more information, with xvantage.com. If you already have an account with Ingram Micro's old platform, I Am Online, you can actually automatically redirect and log into that. There is sales teams. Talk to your sales or account managers to actually get more information about Xvantage. So I would encourage them, partners, to actually try it out, and experience it yourself. Don't believe me, try it out, and use it for yourself. What they can expect more is incrementally every week we are going to bring in new capabilities for the partners. We are constantly take complexity out, fine-tuning our recommendations, bring in more insights, also slowly take friction away from the path to purchase from any different things that they buy, can it be subscription, consumptions, just not only just hardware, services. So we are looking to actually constantly add that and bring everything under one platform, so that they can really get everything under one umbrella. That was our dream that we wanted to achieve. Very easy, intuitive, platform that really mimics the consumer experience that you see in outside distribution today. So we really want to give our channel partners the whole consumer experience, and the insights is almost like a $50 billion company behind our channel partners to make them more profitable, save their time, and give them insights so that they can do their business better. That's where we succeed. We are the brand behind the brands. Our success relies on making our channel partners better and also helping our vendor partners on the other side. That's why we exist. And right now, through this platform, we want to make that experience take that experience to the next level.
Great stuff. Thank you. Thank you so much, Sanjib, for telling us all about Xvantage today and what's going on with Ingram Micro. Exciting news, and looking forward to hearing more in the months ahead. So thank you for joining us today.
Thank you so much, Jessica. It was a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much.
Again, this is Jessica Davis, editorial director of Channel E2E. Thanks for joining us today, everybody.